Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to reply to comments with a video on YouTube Shorts in 2024. First of all, you need to open up the YouTube application. So once you get into the application, open up the short channels of any content creator. Then, from their shorts, tap to open in random video you want to see the comments of. After that, tap on the message icon from the comments. Once you tap on that comment or reply, tap to post it as your short video. When you add the comments, you can edit it. Also, you can tap on the red button to record a short video. After that, you can tap on the tick icon. And once you're done, tap on the next button from the top right corner. You can also add the caption of your short video. Then, tap to upload the short. After that, the short video will be posted on your YouTube. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.